Hello guys. um, I'm going to explain how to set up the oxygen concentrator. It's the first time for me, so yeah, let me explain to you the parts. So this is the power button out here, this is the flow meter. The nebulizer interface we will not use, but in case it can be used in parallel with the oxygen outlet. So this is the oxygen outlet of it. So this is a plastic box, and this is a display. This is a display out here, and we have got a timings to set it up. Behind it has wheels, so we can just move around. It has wheels, okay, and I given it 220 volts, 50 hertz kind of a voltage, right? The thing is that it has to be kept 10 centimeter away from the wall and not near any wooden place or any spark place, and we should not even keep any manuals on the top, nothing, okay. So this is one of the things, and there is no smoking, no lighting, nothing. In case the rain comes, then we may have to think of how not. So I've kept it in a place where the window rain may not also come in. Okay, so this is the dehumidifier kind of a jar. It has both max as well as minimum. So I've taken normally we should use distilled water, but in this case I've taken boiled water, and I'm going to fill it to the in between minimum and max. This has to be done every single day. Okay, so now I'm filling it in between max and max, not more than that. Okay, not even max, not even. I'm just practicing it if my dad comes back from the hospital. I'm going to close this, right, and I'm going to put it on the. I'm going to put the nozzle straight away inside, right. So this is going to be the. Yeah, this normally other things they have a door, but this one doesn't have a door. If I look into other manuals, it has a door, so this one doesn't have the door. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, now I'm not sure. This is the typical masks called the NRBM mask, which the patient normally does, and we have got 3 cannulas, similar ones. I don't know what this one is, so I'm going to figure that out later. And then we've got another cannula out here, okay, onto the nose. So this is what has come. This is a Turkish model, Respirox. It's been there from 2011, and hopefully I'm going to get another concentrator very soon. So I'm going to switch on my stuff on, yeah, and I'm going to see there is a test button out here. I'm not really sure whether it's on or off. So this must be on, and then this one on. Okay, now this button is switched on, so I'm not sure what's going to happen now, and I'm going to put the nozzle of oxygen out here into the NRBM mask. Okay, one sec. So I'm going to put that inside so that I have enough oxygen out there, and then I'm going to say input output. It's not, power is on, but I'm not really sure like why it is not switching on. So maybe I have to say run stop. Yeah, so it's 21% now. It's 21%, and slowly you can see Amaba, see the percentage is increasing. Okay, so we can set it. The oxygen will slowly pump in. So it's now 56% of oxygen, and it's now 68% of oxygen. So it's pumping in. This room has enough ventilation, and it's now 76%. Okay, I've not set the timer yet. So how long do I need it and all that? I've not set the timer, so I need to understand what the timer means. So now the normal one would be this. This would give a flow rate of about. This would give a saturation of about. Okay. So now I'm going to set the timer on, and I'm going to say, maybe let's say I'm going to set it up for, let's say, 15-20 minutes. Okay. Now let me see if I can get some oxygen in. This machine should not be stopped for after half an hour, till half an hour after it starts. It should not be frequently stopped. Okay, so maybe we just have to change the cannula and all that, the mode. So I'm not yet getting the oxygen yet. Let me check it. Yeah, I'm getting, I'm feeling the oxygen coming out. Yeah, I'm getting good oxygen. I can feel the oxygen inside. Okay, you can feel the oxygen. You can feel the oxygen in, right? So this is gives you 95% oxygen. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to keep this on at least for 20-25 minutes before I switch it off. But at least it is working. And when my dad is home, we have something here. So I'm going to then try out a BPAP machine on this. Maybe tomorrow or the after. I'm going to buy a BPAP machine. I'm going to try it out and then see whether I can get a good flow through on a Philips respiratory mask. Okay? Thank you for watching.